Chyawanprash is an Ayurvedic health supplement which is made up of super concentrated blend of nutrient-rich herbs and minerals. It is meant to restore drained reserves of life force and to preserve strength, stamina, and vitality while stalling the course of aging. Chyawanprash is a cooked mixture of sugar, honey, ghee, Indian gooseberry jam, sesame oil, berries, and various herbs and spices. It is prepared as per the instructions suggested in Ayurvedic text. Chyawanprash is widely sold and consumed in India as a dietary supplement. Chyawanprash is a powerful immune booster and aids the body in the production of hemoglobin and white blood cells. Amla, the vital component in Chyawanprash, detoxifies the body and cleanses the blood, liver, spleen and lungs. It enhances youthfulness and promotes healthy muscle mass and tones the body. The best time to take Chyawanprash is morning, 15 minutes before food. A teaspoon to a tablespoon based on age with a cup of milk. Chyawanprash is one of the best medicines used in anti-aging treatment called Rasayana therapy. This magic Chyawanprash drink has over the decades been known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps to boost the immune system and fight cold and coughs well. Chyawanprash is one of the best immunity boosters that can be had every day. Another ingredient in Chyawanprash, black sesame oil, contains monounsaturated and polyunsaturated acids which help to reduce cholesterol. These healthy fats have also been shown to support weight loss, which in turn can help to reduce blood pressure. Chyawanprash helps in better absorption of calcium and protein synthesis, thereby strengthening bones and teeth and improving muscle tone. It also promotes growth in juveniles and help in gaining weight. There is a misconception that Chyawanprash produces heat in the body and should not be taken during hot weather. It is not true. The main ingredient of Chyawanprash is amla, which exerts cooling action. Chyawanprash cleanses the alimentary tract and clears the digestive system. Small particles of waste products continue to deposit on the walls of intestine and colon, which results in toxin formation in the digestive system. Chyawanprash helps to reduce this accumulation of toxins in the intestines and clears the bowel. The main ingredients of Chyawanprash is Indian gooseberry, so it carries all the benefits that Indian gooseberry provides in the body. It prevents cold and allergies by strengthening the immune system of the body. Therefore, eating Chyawanprash daily helps to reduce the frequency of recurrent colds and upper respiratory diseases. Chyawanprash provides the strength to the heart muscles and improves the pumping capacity of the heart. It also controls the increased heartbeat. It also improves blood circulation in the body, by which brain gets the optimum amount of oxygen. Thereby, the mental capabilities boost up, so it is beneficial in ADHD, insomnia, memory loss, dementia, Alzheimer's disease and other brain and neurological diseases. If taken in prescribed dosage, Chyawanprash is considered to be safe. A report suggested that amla should not be consumed at bedtime to avert ill effects on teeth. Chyawanprash is rich in amla contents, therefore it is better to avoid it at bedtime. In some people, taking Chyawanprash with milk causes gas formation in the abdomen. If it is occur to you, then you should eat it without milk and you can drink milk 30 minutes after taking it. There is a misconception that Chyawanprash produces heat in the body and should not be taken during hot weather. It is not true. The main ingredients of Chyawanprash is amla, which exerts cooling action. However, it also contains ingredients having hot potency, but overall it is a balanced formulation. These ingredients are not enough to reduce the cooling effects of amla. Chyawanprash has also been found to relieve gastritis, peptic ulcer, gut cramps, and correct the gastrointestinal functions. It purifies blood, works as detoxifier, and promotes healthy liver function. It protects and strengthens the liver and kidney and improves lipid and protein metabolism. Chyawanprash contains various Ayurvedic ingredients that help in boosting immunity, protect against infections, and provides nutrition and energy. It may be consumed by children from 3 years of age onwards. But if you have any questions related to use of Chyawanprash, consult your family doctor. Chyawanprash can be taken alone. It can be stirred into milk or water, or it can be spread on toast, bread, or crackers like other jams. Taking Chyawanprash in warm milk or almond milk if dairy is not appropriate helps to carry its toxifying and rejuvenating qualities deep into the tissues. So friends, eat Chyawanprash to stay healthy, and if you have any health complications, talk to your family doctor on usage of Chyawanprash. If you like this video, share this video to friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.